Good morning, day 3 Formnext. Yesterday had been a crazy busy day and today it's again going to be busy, and we look forward to introduce our customers to digital tools. So how can you scale with digital? That's one of the things how we help customers be more successful in reaching their purpose. One of the things that we also developed together in a partnership with ParaMatters is optimisation software, helping to create products which are fit for purpose by using the minimal amount of material to get the job done. What we also provided is a very unique solution for anisotropic materials. What we did with ParaMatters is to make sure that we orientate the fiber perfectly in domain to really bring a lot of benefit to the customers. One thing we saw also being challenged with our customers is the fact how to apply additive manufacturing and when to apply it. What we did, we created a virtual assistant. So Project AMellion is all about shaping around the customer. So what we did over there is in a stepwise process, breaking down the problem from the customer towards a final advice. That's one of the things how we help customers be more successful in reaching their purpose.